આગળ વધીએ તો આપની કંપનીમાં આપણી સાથે જોડાઈ રહ્યા છે ગેલેક્સી સર્ફેક્ટન્ટ્સના એમડી કે नटराजन। नटराजन सर, गुड आफ्टरनून, स्वागत है सर शो पर। सबसे पहले सर शुरुआत करेंगे, एबिटा हैज़ कम स्लाइटली बिलो द गाइडेड बैंड, तो आगे फुल ईयर गाइडेंस क्या आप देना चाहेंगे सर? और जानना चाहेंगे, डू यू ऑल्सो मेंटेन द वॉल्यूम ग्रोथ गाइडेंस फॉर FY25 of 6 to 8%?
Oh yeah, so we have no reason to change the guidance. So we have maintained the guidance at for volume at 6 to 8%, and for EBITDA at 20,500 to 21,500. There were some कुछ तो headwinds थे इंडिया मार्केट में वॉल्यूम ग्रोथ के हिसाब से, बट हमारा बाकी रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड ने काफी अच्छा प्रदर्शन दिया है परफॉर्मेंस का। तो अभी सेकेंड हाफ में इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट दैट we continue to stay focused and ensure that our rest of the world maintains this particular momentum and we are able to report results in line with the guided range.
राइट सर, आगे जानना चाहेंगे, एफएमसीजी कंपनियों ने जो यहाँ से स्लो डाउन के इंडिकेशंस दिए थे, तो ये वॉल्यूम्स और आगे अगर टिल द एंड ऑफ द ईयर आप कैसे इसका इम्पैक्ट देख रहे हैं और इससे क्या इंडिकेशन है?
अभी तक इंडिया में our growth has been flat for in H1, and we do expect that things should start improving, but then we are looking at, say, if we should be ending the year with about 2 to 3% growth in volumes in India, based on whatever we are hearing from our customers in terms of certain interventions they are doing to get the demand getting better. So basis that, but India, I do see that from the subsequent early next year in the financial year, things should be much better.
सर, रेड सी क्राइसिस, जियोपॉलिटिकल टेंशन अभी भी वो कंटिन्यू है क्या? एक्सपोर्ट को हर्ट हुआ है इससे, और कैसे इम्पैक्ट आप देख रहे हैं नंबर्स के ऊपर? आर कोस्ट हायर और आर द वॉल्यूम्स लोअर?
If you see, I think these geopolitical tensions have been there, but then my team has been able to do a good job. So that's why you'd see the rest of the world did really well in the first half. The major impact, however, has been because of the geopolitical situation and the Red Sea blockade, was the incoming supply chain that got disrupted into our Cairo plant in Egypt, which essentially didn't enable us to meet the demand in a full and wholesome manner. But I think things are getting better, and we do hope that things don't escalate further. We should then be able to manage well.
Right. जी, और सर जानना चाहेंगे आगे, आरती इंडस्ट्रीज ने जो यहाँ से इंडिकेशन दिया था, फ्रेट कॉस्ट आर लोअर नाउ, तो क्या अगर ऐसा हो रहा है तो विल दिस गिव यू सम रिलीफ इन रेस्ट ऑफ द फिस्कल? और साथ ही जानना चाहेंगे, व्हाट इज द लीड टाइम टू गेट अ कंटेनर फॉर डिस्पैचेस?
Oh yeah, so first is, I think the freight rates are showing some indications of coming down, but I wouldn't say something significant. But if you compare to pre-April, that's when freight rates started going up significantly. They are still far away from that. They still need to come down significantly to be around that, level. More importantly, however, is in terms of service levels and on-time deliveries that the shipping companies promise. We do see that container availability and booking space on ships are getting better, and that's important for us to ensure that we serve our customers well. And the lead times have still not reduced significantly because you're getting containers available, but the lead times to all our locations that we export to are still higher because of the Red Sea blockade.
राइट सर। और सर, फैटी अल्कोहल प्राइसेस हैव गॉन हायर, तो अभी आप क्या स्पेशली अगर बात करें तो आर यू एबल टू पास इट ऑन टू योर कस्टमर्स?
Oh yeah, obviously, because this price increase and the commodity price increase is the same for everyone. So yes, so we are able to pass on, but obviously it comes with a lag. You can't do it overnight.
Right.
So any increasing price scenario in a secular way, it does put pressure in terms of the time that you take to pass it on with a lag.
राइट सर। आगे सर जानना चाहेंगे, नटराजन, ग्रोथ अक्रॉस जियोग्राफीज एंड अक्रॉस सेगमेंट्स इन H2 एंड FY25 आप कैसे देख रहे हैं, और ग्रोथ ड्राइवर क्या रहेगा आपके लिए?
In H225, as we said, we would like to end the year at the 6 to 8% volume growth, with delivering 20,500 to 21,500 as EBITDA per metric ton. And for this, I think for the volume side, we need to see India getting better as compared to the first half. Rest of the world maintaining its good growth momentum, and our Africa, Middle East, Turkey market should start looking better. And for EBITDA per metric ton, I think what is critical is that our premium special ingredients should start showing a good trend upwards.
राइट सर, लास्ट कपल ऑफ क्वेश्चंस। एक सर जानना चाहेंगे यहाँ से अपडेट ऑन माइल्ड सर्फेक्टेंट्स, जो यहाँ से कंपनी ने एडिंग कैपेसिटी जो यहाँ से बताया था और स्पेशली गेनिंग ट्रैक्शन विद एमएनसीज, तो आगे आप कैसे देख रहे हैं एज अ पार्ट ऑफ योर पोर्टफोलियो एंड व्हाट विल बी द टारगेट बी है?
No, so mild surfactants as a portfolio is a portfolio for the future, given the consumer trends in terms of wanting milder and less toxic formulations, and also with a trend on sulfate-free formulations. And we have a range of mild surfactants that positions us well to partake in this growing consumer trend. So I think all the capacities we have put up is going to be of very great relevance moving forward.
सर लास्टली जानना चाहेंगे, काफ़ी नंबर्स के ऊपर और ओवरऑल ग्रोथ के ऊपर आपने डिटेल्स शेयर की, बट फॉर कमिंग क्वार्टर आउटलुक क्या है? नॉट एग्जैक्टली इन टर्म्स ऑफ नंबर्स, बट ग्रोथ विजन है कंपनी का, ग्लोबल फुटप्रिंट है, आगे ग्रोथ कैसे देख रहे हैं आप?
So I think we will have to stay focused in terms of how do we execute well. The challenges on the demand side that we're talking about are not something that will improve overnight, but the strength of our business model and the geographical spread that we have is going to enable us to deliver well. That's what we delivered in the first half, and we hope to do that in the coming quarter and the coming S2 as well.
Correct. Natarajan sir, thank you for connecting and best wishes for coming
Thank you so
quarters.
much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye sir. ગેલેક્સી સર્ફેક્ટન્ટ્સ મેનેજમેન્ટ સાથે આપણે ચર્ચા કરી રહ્યા હતા ને, જબરદસ્ત મજબૂતી સાથે આ કાઉન્ટર ટ્રેડ થઈ રહ્યો, 5% ખરીદદારી છે અત્યારે, અને 2871ના લેવલ્સ પર આપણને સ્ટોક ટ્રેડ થતો દેખાડી રહ્યો છે. અને મેનેજમેન્ટ સાથે કંપનીની આવનારી યોજના પર પણ ચર્ચા કરી.